Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use your phone as a touchpad in Samsung DeX mode on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7. You can see here I have the Z Flip7, and if you want to use it as a touchpad, there are two methods of doing that depending on whether your phone has a navigation bar at the bottom or three buttons navigation. What I'm speaking about is, here you can see there are three buttons. This is the three button navigation. If you have that, then you will have this little button in the very bottom left corner. Once you click on it, a touchpad opens. You can see it works just like that. If I rotate the phone, the touchpad rotates as well. That's pretty useful. Now I'm gonna close it. If you actually don't have these three buttons at the bottom, then you will need to do it in a different way. I'm just gonna pause the video and show you that. Now let's go to the phone. You can see I have this navigation bar at the bottom now. And if I want to open a touchpad, I will need to slide down from the left top part of your screen. Then click on use your phone as touchpad and the touchpad is open. I can use it now, I can rotate it as well and do whatever I want. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.